This is Colorado Public Radio, where all the radios are being served in the Colorado state. Now, for today's video, we just know about that the glitchy demons escaped the west coast of the United States, mainly because a 9.8 earthquake has struck the east. No, I meant the west coast, sorry. So basically, a 9.8 earthquake has struck the west coast of the United States, and it's expected that massive devastation has caused around the west coast. Wait, I got my phone. Hold on. Oh, I just got word that we're having a civil danger warning right now. Please stand by the emergency
Civil
alert
danger
system
warning.
for further
That's
information.
terrible.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Colorado Police Department in conjunction with the Colorado Emergency Management Agency. Numerous glitchy entities were roaming around the city of Denver. They were reported that the entities were killing people and sending them to the void. Residents are expected to seek shelter immediately. Refusing to shelter in place will result in certain death. If there is a nearby location that has a shelter, go there now. Stay
Holy fuck. That was scarier than the other two. Yeah, it now called as the hellish word of hellball. Now I know why these glitchy entities keep jump scaring me. Apparently when any emergency alert systems are transmitting, the entities will hijack the system. Why national emergency? That's fucking impossible.
Stand by. Stand by. The President of the United States, or his designated representative, will be speaking on all stations shortly. Stand by for his message. Stand by. Stand by.
Good evening, my fellow Americans. I am the President of the United States, who is currently being escorted to a safe and undisclosed location. At 7:10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, glitchy entities were found to be destroying the Gulf of Mexico and Mississippi. The West Coast is completely destroyed and the void is where the glitchy entities came from. There has been a new discovery that it will soon reach the East Coast within the next morning. My fellow Americans, this is a very dark time for our nation. The President of the United States has given a shelter-in-place order for the entire United States. Get as far underground as possible, such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-operated radio with you. Do not exit the shelter. You will suffer death to the entities. Wait, what is that heading towards me? Oh no, I think that the entity.
My fucking crap ears.
Nice. You have came to the right place. You have caused so many problems to the Gumball community. I need to relax. See you in the next EAS broadcast. Haha.
hope the bomb killed the glitchy entities.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is a national information center for all of the United States. The President of the United States, or his designated representative, will be speaking shortly.
I am the representative of the President of the United States. As of now, he was killed by one of the entities. At this time, we have some very good news. The glitchy entities were taken down by the nuclear bombs. The bad news is that 50% of the United States is damaged, and it will have to be rebuilt. These regions of the US include the West Coast and the Gulf of Mexico. There are still dust around these areas. If you are in these areas, please stay indoors. We will rebuild our nation. Why? Because we are the USA, and we will not give up. One more notice, the Vice President will now be the new President of the United States. This concludes my message.
That was a message from representative of the President. Stay tuned to local media outlets for further information.
My fucking neck ears again! At least it's over.